Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so let's get started with the dried results from the last video, which is my favorite. I mean, come on, it dried perfectly. Look at that, absolutely perfect. Didn't move, didn't budge, didn't smudge, nothing. I mean, absolutely stunning. So happy with how this dried. She's gonna get a top coat of Krystal Resin whenever I have time after the holidays. But look at that, absolutely love it. Which brings me to an idea, and let me know in the comments. So I'm loving the colors, reminds me of like earth and stuff like that. So I was thinking, if you guys watch Sarah Mac, for those of you Sarah Mac who know Sarah Mac, she's been doing lately these really cool dustpan pours and does like a gold like moon or sun or whatever. And I thought, how cool would it be to do one of these blowouts with these like same color palette, but leave like space here in the middle, not cover it the way I did here, and put one of Sarah Mac's ideas of a gold moon there. I mean, how cool would that look? It could be silver too. It doesn't have to necessarily be gold. I mean, the moon can be white. It's always yellow. There's blood moon. There's all kinds of colors of the moon. And I was thinking of doing it in like gold leafing. I mean, let me know in the comments below. Again, the idea from Sarah Mac. But yeah, and if you haven't seen her stuff, go check it out, Sarah Mac. But yeah, I thought that would be super cool. Very cool idea, but without not doing the dustpan pour like she does, do my regular blowout and then just add a moon. That would be cool. So let me know your thoughts on that if you want to see me do that. Next things next. I know I haven't mentioned much of it, but Fluid Art Experience, FAE, happening, Dallas, Texas, April 16th to 19th. That's right, it's a 4-day event this time. First time ever in all the years that FAE has been running. This is the first time FAE is going to be a 4-day event. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 2 classes a day. I will be there. So will my fellow YouTube artists, like Kathleen from Cause Creations, the Massey Boys, Sarah Taylor, Pieces of Terra, Jessica Winterstrom, Brian from Studio 15, Nate Bright, Britta Clayton, new artist coming, Nick Bultman Art. I mean, I hope I didn't miss anybody. Did I miss anybody? I'm so sorry if I did. No, I don't think so. But so excited. It's going to be a whole new thing. There's even going to be like a whole market vendor of like local, you know, artists and crafters are going to be there as well. I mean, it's a whole different experience, whole completely new different experience. If you've been to FAE before, this is going to be something completely different. And like I said, 4-day event. If you want information or to book tickets, I will put the link for the website in the description below, or just go to www.fluidartexperience.com. Okay, that's it. So Christmas, before I forget, I just want to wish everybody who celebrates a very Merry Christmas. It is literally in 2 days from now. I cannot believe it. And for those of you who don't celebrate, I hope you have happy holidays. So yeah, Merry Christmas to all of you. Before I forget, because I'll probably forget. Let's get to today's painting, shall we? Right here, there's this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. And if you've watched my last few videos, you heard me talk about doing a live webinar with none other than Jeffrey Olsen from Amsterdam. Jeff from Amsterdam himself, him and I are doing a live webinar together with OPUS, which is a art supply store here in Canada. I didn't even know that. But yes, OPUS. And so you can join the webinar for free and come and see and talk to Jeff and I, ask all kinds of questions. It's an hour and a half. It is January 15th. I will put the link in the description below so that you can sign up if you want to sign up, because you need to sign up in order to get the link to watch the webinar when we are going live on January 15th. It'll be at 11 a.m. PST or 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that'll be a great opportunity to ask me questions, even ask Jeff from Amsterdam questions. So yeah, I will have 3 videos on that live webinar playing while Jeff and I are talking to everybody there live. And this is going to be my 3rd video of the 3 of 3. So we are using, or I am using, all Amsterdam paints because it's an Amsterdam webinar with Opus. All right, so let's get started. My base paint is going to be Oxide Black by Amsterdam. And then today I'm gonna do my favorite colors. Why not? We've got Metallic Purple by Amsterdam. Some of you may or may not know, Amsterdam now has metallic colors. Then I have Pearl Blue by Amsterdam, and I'm using pearls because I'm using a black base. Then we have Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam, followed by Permanent Red Violet, of course, by Amsterdam. Then we have Metallic Blue by Amsterdam. And then we've got Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. And then topping it off, I'm going to be using Indigo by Amsterdam, but the Expert series. All right, so there you have it. Those are my colors. And I'm going to move these out of the way. Let's get these out of the way. Now these metallics don't come in these 500 ml jugs yet that I know of. So you'll have to just buy the smaller 120 mils. Okay, so my canvas is level. I'm going to flood my canvas and I shall be right back. Alrighty, canvas flooded, bubbles popped. I had to put some more butane in my my torch there. She was running low. All right, so I'm just gonna do a simple U-shaped design. So let's get to it, because I'm very curious to see how this color palette is going to pan out with these. Oh, look how beautiful that purple is. Absolutely love it. I've got so much doggy hair on my sweater. All right, now we've got Pearl Blue. So I can say, safely say, I am ready for Christmas. I am. I'm all done. Christmas shopping is done. Stockings are stuffed. You know, I got everything done and ready, wrapped and under the tree, my friends, just in the nick of time. So that makes me feel good. I've been kind of having some lazy days lately. For those of you who ordered spinners in the last week or so, good news is I finally got my new air compressor. I needed an air compressor for my new machine. Because it's so powerful, I needed the air compressor, and I'll do a video on that soon enough. But now that I have my air compressor, I can continue with my work on making new spinners. I was kind of at a dead stop until I got the air compressor. So that just arrived literally about an hour ago from FedEx. So super excited. Again, I'll explain more and show more of that and the workshop in the garage in future videos coming up. Don't forget, I also have my Patreon. Oh, that was a big goober. I got to get that out. Patreon account. There's going to be some fun new stuff happening in January. I know kind of December's been a little bit slow because, I mean, it is the holidays and stuff. But come January, Patreon is going to be in full effect. And there's going to be some awesome content and live Q&As and all that stuff. So if you want to join my Patreon account, you can click on the link in the description below, and there's 2 tiers. There's a $10 tier and a $20 tier, and it tells you what you get kind of thing. So yeah, join my Patreon if you like. All right, I'm going to move those. Let's get started. Let's do it. Holy moly! Wow, I love it. You know what's funny? As soon as I started the first blow, my first immediate thought was, there's no gold accent and there's no silver accent. I actually did not put any gold or silver in a painting. And I always do either one or the other. And I didn't do either on this. And you know what? I'm not mad at all about it. I'm loving it. I think what I am mad about is the last little blow I did to blow over the edge. I was kind of thinking I shouldn't have done that and should have just left the black negative space, which I could, you know, add the black negative space back. I love it. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Now keep in mind, wherever you see this white, it's not really white. Remember, it's either pearl violet or pearl blue. So when it dries, it's going to be either violet or blue. So, oh, I cannot wait to see this dry. And this better dry perfectly. Oh man, look at that streak of metallic blue. Oh, she's pretty. I'm loving this. I absolutely love it. And I don't think there's anything I want to change on this, even though I kind of blew my corner and I didn't want to do that and I shouldn't have done that. I'm going to leave it. I ain't going to touch it. So I am going to touch up my edges and then I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. Don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape those drips. I've already done the other 3 sides. All right. Take your stick, take your stick and, oh my gosh, take your stick and scrape your drips. And come back 10 minutes later and do it again. All right, let's get to this close-up, shall we? I'm telling you, as the time is passing, more and more cells are forming. Just like I said to you guys in the last video, if you rewind and go right back to the point where I literally finished using the hairdryer and stopped blowing, and you come to this part here, you know, where I'm showing you a close-up 5 minutes later, you'll see that so many more cells have popped up in like 5 minutes. Look at it. It's so cute. I'm loving these colors. Question is, what kind of shimmer are we gonna get? I mean, 4 out of the 7 colors were shimmery. So let's turn the lights off, turn the flash on, and see what we get. Okay, so flash is on. Oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, I mean, this is all the metallic blue. Look at, I mean, I don't know if you can see it. I sure as heck can see it. I can definitely see it. There's the purple. And then again, you can see that that is going to be pearl violet. You can already kind of see it. Let's go over here. Yeah. Oh, that metallic blue. I mean, if I had added some 24 karat gold in this, she would have been prettier, but I love it. I'm actually glad I did not add any gold or silver. Look at that. It'll be interesting to see how it dries for sure. All right, and there you have it, my friends. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. As I said, this is a 16 by 20 inch. It will be available for purchase once dry in resin. So if anyone is interested, you know what to do. Email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. And again, if you want to be a part of the live webinar happening with myself and Jeff from Amsterdam, that's January 15th. The link is in the description below. You must sign up. It'll take you through the whole process. It'll say, you know, put the webinar in your cart, and then you'll see the cart says $0. So don't worry, you don't have to pay for anything. It is a free webinar. All right, but you have to sign up for it, because then they're going to send you an email with the link, so that you can click on the link and join the webinar. It is free, January 15th. That's it. Hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, happy holidays, and I will see you again on Saturday, I guess. No, I'll try, actually. I got some family stuff I have to do, but if I'm not around, I will see you soon. All right, until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.